leader of the spying agency of your country, whichever country you will choose that, and then you have to fulfill the missions and all. It will be online game in which like the different rooms will be there.
Basically, in today's world, what we are seeing in modern warfare, we don't have missiles and all getting. We are just spying over there, and we are just turning whole governments here and there just because of our intelligence agencies. That's the game we are developing. It will enhance your knowledge in geopolitics and all. So basically, you are gaining knowledge along with gaming.
And in future, everyone knows the wars will not be fought by weapons; it will be fought by information. So that we are practicing that, and there will be different rules like online will be there. Like in one room, all the players from like different whichever country you choose, that will be there. Total there are 194 countries, so we can do that, and missions will be there. Like for assassinations or something, you have to influence political parties and all. Whole missions will be there. We have to do those missions, and the end game will be like when agency control. End game will be like when agency has so much influence that it is controlling the world politics and.
So you can get to know about people from all over the world, how they are thinking, how much knowledge is they are having about geopolitics. And we can do one thing. If a player is like pro in this game, he knows everything, how to control, how to talk, because there are like real life people in there. So they can have a they can be absorbed in the actual intelligence agency of our country. If they depending on the score, how you are performing, how you are prompting, how you are trying to invade other countries, how to trying to get information from other people. Based on how well you can do that, you can be absorbed into actual agency of our country.
And then make revenue will be from skills, subscriptions, passes, like that. Is it over?
Yeah.
So, first of all, are you guys aware of the complexity of making a game? Do you have that kind of skill set which you can satisfy these requirements?
We don't have to hire.
Okay, so, but even if you are hiring, you should be clear as an administrator that what stages you have to go through to make this game, right? So, tell me the stages of making a game. No, coding is the last part, okay. What are the stages of making a game?
First of all, law should be there.
Storyline.
Connectivity.
Are you working on network? You have to set up a network, right? And this is going to be a multiplayer game, right?
Yes.
So do you know the complexity of a multiplayer game also?
Yeah, we just put all that into one box and we will make this. It's just we will make this and all the things we will use it.
Even if you are hiring somebody, okay, they can only do coding part, okay, or the designing part. But what to design, you have to decide, okay, as an administrator, right? So I'm just trying to ask that what things you are going to do and how you will hire that skill set whichever is required for your project.
Basically, this game is more similar to GTA.
Basic question. So what is it? Why you for this company? Why you are making this game? We have a very interesting politics and we want everything.
There is scope in there.
Have a awareness of geopolitics.
Means gaming and all is a lot more interesting.
Why you? People who is having knowledge, they can
Okay, that is okay. You will hire a student. Okay, that is clear for all of us. Okay. Now let's say let's discuss about the storyline. You are going to build on geopolitics. Okay. Now how you will prevent your company from the propaganda prevention? If you are building any products on based on geopolitics, then you will be by too much propaganda. Okay. How do you have any plan to like prevent that propaganda?
Propaganda is, I think, good thing for publicity also. It will, it will.
Yeah, publicity is okay, but the effect on the society is more dangerous, right? If anyone is getting more access on your platform, then they can build a propaganda on other country and then make that kind of pressure on them. Okay.
So that you talked about that absorption strategy to the real fight. So what if the other country people use it as a loophole and use it as an opportunity to enter into our intelligence system?
Game is not getting
It's not directly connected to intelligence.
that person's
All
knowledge.
the
is-
data used in the game will be, which is publicly available.
But users are interacting with it, right? So public is
Each other.
interacting with it.
No, users are in.
Yeah, public is interacting with it, so propaganda can get in their mind via your platform. Okay, so how you are preventing it? Do you have any?
The main objective is that we want to know how people are thinking about each country person, how is thinking about the other country, and how they think, what is their impression of the other country.
It may be like some social chatting app or something. You get to know about each other. Right?
You just said it is going to be similar as GTA. Now you are saying that social chatting.
No.
You are,
Can you tell a basic, let's say I am user, and I am opening your game. So what screen I will see and what kind of interface I will get?
in starting first there will be storyline. After that, you will choose a nation in which you will be the head of the ingredients. Then you are the head. You have to create full mission. You have to command the pods which are under it, what to do everything and all. And then you have to like that also, like in GTA there is, you can switch the character, right? In that then you will switch the character for doing the mission. It is like that. Like if you want to assassinate, first you will make a plan of assassination.
Who is assigning the mission?
In starting, it will be according to that. Then the missions will be done. Right? Like what is like in that room.
So you are randomly generating a mission and
Yes.
assigning it.
Yes. Then there will like room and all. Then you can like geopolitical relations, like online players will be there. So you can make that also with the other country.
How the chatting thing is coming in online, that social chatting is coming
That is with other country, like for example, in real world also, like prime ministers meet and all, ministers meet, right? That we can do. And we can.
Okay, so one player will be chatting to other player.
Yes.
And
Representative of that country.
president of that.
Yes. Yes.
That
They can influence each other and can be friends and they can
Yes.
share information of their country. So you can have hold, like you are holding other countries as well from the actual.
So there will be only one reality in this game universe.
No, different rooms will be there. According to that room, in a room, Pakistan and India can also be friends. That depends on the person.
Multiple rooms.
Yes.
Idea is big.
How you will
Propaganda thing and all you need to do.
And you also
like,
have to find strategies to save it from children. Because if children
yeah,
are
it's
required.
same question. How you will prevent any forward or like this?
The countries
Like
very
foreign language will be there when you are discussing geopolitics, then people will get
You can have a
out of
database
control.
of some.
Okay, then how you will prevent
some community guidelines will be there.
We can have a set of data rules, like all the false, all the bad words list, which can be
So you will
detected
be
in the
deploying some filters on your server before
Yeah.
publishing the check.
Yeah.
But just now you told that people will send peer-to-peer connection will be there.
Yes.
Okay. Then how you are doing in that we are doing everything.
Like in Clash of Clans also you can chat and all. It's like that.
In game, actually, lot of games, children are also using lot of apps. So that's actually a global issue. How to prevent that? We should, yeah, we can work on that.
Have you implemented any strategy to prevent this from your side?
From our side, the age restriction and all will come.
How you are verifying the official document? To enter your platform, official document is required. Yeah, that will affect your like acquisition of customer if you are making it better.
So that
In every, like Gmail is always used, right? Gmail verification is
official documentation, I guess, 2 minutes will not be there to start from some other.
You have a great idea, but the implementation you have to be more clear how you are doing. First thing is your skill set is not aligned, and you have to work more into design and how you are implement this.
It can also be used for public awareness how these things are done, how blackmailing has been and all will be done. So this can also help.
So explain. Right now you are here, and I think I estimate that you have not started working on it, right? So how will you start working on it?
First we need to find
Story and all we must make.
Who will make the story? Like making a story for a game is having a course in itself, right? And some expertise is needed, some experience is needed. So how will you do it? And
Start from talking to game developers and all.
So
what's possible
do you
or
think that they can do it for free? So how will you generate the
That is not the question. The first question is how you will find these kind of people, and how you, first you have to identify what skill sets you need. Okay. Then how you will find that kind of developers or that kind of creators. What is the plan for hiring your
main for storyline we will need is political science researchers and
We'll talk to some people, maybe they will be ready to deliver for free. They will be talking.
this is the revenue model. Revenue model would also like the things and all, then like the nodes and then subscriptions,
But ads can also come in between.
ads.
your primary revenue model is from data?
Ads, skins,
Yeah, ads are-
subscriptions.
Skills, what kind of skills you will implement?
Like content and so on.
And then subscription, what kind of benefits you will give to
We can give like control of 2 countries or something like that. Like you are head of more than 2 countries or something like that. You can give it subscription.
you unlock countries against subscription.
Otherwise, it's not only one.
Can you define your customer persona? Like, who is your exact?
Who is into gaming and who is really interested?
Who is that?
Gaming industry is
Who is that? Music industry.
It's PUBG or PUBG, Clash of Clans also people play. Clash of Clans is a strategy game and PUBG is. So this is a combination.
We're talking about some age group.
And who are you targeting?
Our target audience from like 14 to 24.
Where is customers, you can define a person who is the exact customer, the ideal customer, right? So how do you define that ideal customer? We know people have industry, this industry is going to use. How do you define that ideal customer?
Ideal customer, we can like, since this is a combination of both.
Because one more thing, we have to pay money also, right?
For money, if you you have to adopt more countries and all states
Okay,
and all.
just the last question. Have you done the competition analysis for this? Here I am seeing some apps which I have seen ads also of here. Country ball is world war, one is this, and conqueror country is one. Dominion is one. Have you done the?
all these are like
These are different kinds
yeah,
of.
these are like clash
It is
No,
not
this is the 2D app of country balls. I have seen ad of this that you can acquire countries and then you can
But
acquire
in that-
armies for the
it's
country.
like clash of
In that
Clans.
missions and all are not just fighting is not there. In that
So
only.
your ad is
Yes.
real world.
Yes.
Right.
Fighting
Spying and real
yes.
How actually-
we will have
how-
features like that will retracking.
We can update
Influence
timely.
political people, big political people.
We can timely update the actual relation between the countries and all.
From the audience, if there is any question, this is the window.
Will it not increase the rate for other countries? Someone like for tax
This is please validate the question. Can you repeat your question?
like won't it increase the rate for some countries to the players? Because like other games like Covert all, it's not a particular country there. But if like it's a spy mission and all, like whether it's a one game only, but will it not increase the rate like for other countries?
Probably you can use some
I mean,
other
people are using
form
other
of
platforms as well
data
for
wise.
this.
You can
Why are you promoting
some
other
other planets and gain some other regional continents and data.
But then how
I
they
just
will
was
But
just
fictional will not be interesting.
I think
yeah, then
you
how
are
they
just
will
seeing one
create
part
the
of
real
this.
data? If their edge is the real world data,
Yes.
then how they will do it?
And in real world,
So you have to address this problem that
I think
in
we can build
propaganda
some
between
better
the
connections as well. We can get to know that it's not like some propaganda or something, or hate is not. Maybe friendship can also be.
But like in this
So we have
pages
both
that
sides.
Yeah, and if your platform is getting popular, then you will get a lot of pressure from different countries and they will put some kind of restrictions on you or maybe some favor from you. Okay, so how you will tackle that one?
we will say that we are not controlling the things which are happening in the rules. The mainly is the players of different countries only control.
Yeah, actually,
You are having control over filters. Okay, what if America is asking to filter China everywhere? And America is putting pressure on you. Like the founder.
That much.
If you are getting famous, then you will get that much pressure. Okay, like the Cloud, OpenAI, we are getting these kind of news that government is making pressure on AI companies to do research for them, right? Like we just got news of Cloud and OpenAI deal. Okay. So if this is getting popular, then this kind of problem will also come. So you have to address it, and or you can use some blockchain or some this kind of technology where no one can control or no one can change. Okay.
Thank you very much. Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay, so there is a few minutes to evaluate.
creator. Please give them a huge round of applause.